6th of January 2024. I decided I better get on and sort out these onion pips that I started a while back. Can't remember the date. I'll flash it up on the screen for you. But basically, they're in need of potting on. They give frost for the next couple of nights. So I'm going to pot them on and I'll leave them in here on the bench and they can stay in here relatively warm. Might drag a piece of fleece over the top as well. And then once it starts to warm up again, we can pop them back outside. I'll show you one that's still in the first stages. There we go. You know, even in the cold, they've put on some good size. They want a bit of a clean up here and there. Ain't too bad at all though, are they? You know, they'll come on lovely now. All I've got to do is pot them on and then pot them on again and then pot them on again, because I'm after growing some big ones this year for a couple of local shows, just for a bit of a giggle more than anything. But anyway, the compost mix is some from last year, which I used for the sweet peppers, so that would have had lumps of rotted cow manure in it, as you can see there. I've put in some wood ash, which has got lumps of charcoal in it, for the pot ash, because onions do like pot ash. As long as you don't burn any rubbish on your wood burner and just burn wood, it's quite safe to use, and it does add to the fertilizers. So anyway, we'll just pop one up. It's only about 3/4 full, if that. Tap them down, get it nice and tight, open it up in the centre a little bit to take the pot. And you can see here, look, that's how much they're growing. Roots has come out the bottom, going on quite happily. I'm not worried about just nipping them off, make it easier to get it out the pot. And we'll pop it in here, if it'll come out. There we go, nice and easy. And that's about level with where I want it to be. And what I tend to do is just knock off that top where it's gone a bit green and stick it down underneath, and then that'll rot back in and feed the plant as well. And then top up, firm it round the edges so there's no air space down in there. We don't want air spaces in there really if we can help it. These old roots ain't going to hurt, they'll rot back in as well as it grows. And there we go, all that needs now is a drop of water and put it back to one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and boil the kettle and fill up a watering can with, not even warm, just tepid, if that, just to water them in, because it is cold out here, and then they can stay on the bench. Anyway, happy Christmas and keep on gardening.